Sir, regarding the public sector, I am very happy to see that we have now 224 public sector enterprises in India run by the central government stop from 5 public sector units with an investment of rupees 29 crores. We have now come to have 2 to 4 public sector units with an investment of almost rupees 26,000 crores stop. Some of my friends from the opposition were mentioning that our investment is not proper stop. Is it improper to have 2 to 4 units in place of 5 and investment increasing from rupees 29 crores to rupees 26 crores? Sir, the public sector at one time was only the postal department set up by the East India Company stop. But now look at the growth stop. Now not the postal department only, but several other departments, firms and facilities that we have stop. Then about the sales growth, I must comment stop. Not only there is growth in investments but also growth in sales stop. In 10 years we are able to show a remarkable sales growth of 6 times in this country stop. This is also a result of the good economic policy stop. Sir, I would not take much of time, but I would like to say one thing about the restlessness shown in many parts of this country, because our country is a developing nation stop. As a developing nation, our economy has developed in many spheres stop. People have been demanding more in many sectors stop. More people wanting to travel by trains, more people wanting to travel by air stop. When there is more demand for everything, you find that the infrastructure is not coping with the development of the economy stop. I think the finance minister and the fiscal planners of this country will have to throw a little more light on this aspect stop. Infrastructural plan is also very important stop. When you think of providing more wagons, there should be sufficient railway stations. The platforms must be long enough stop. Otherwise people get discomfort and our achievements on various points will be immediately sidetracked stop. By more waiting at the railway station for hours, I think the passengers will feel that nothing is achieved in our country and that everything is of disadvantage of them stop. He forgets immediately the achievements made in the country stop. So the small thing which the people are coming across every day in their day to day life is the infrastructural weaknesses stop.